In Belmont County, it was a combination of winter wonderland and treacherous ice rink early this morning. As truckers were pulling off the side of the interstate and parking their rigs, many businesses and offices were closed and events were canceled. 7 News reporter DK Wright takes a look at how things happened.
ODOT drivers were doing their best.
Yeah, we were out at 9 o'clock last night, and the storm just dumped a lot more snow than what was forecast. And again, things are shaping up now. We had a few breakdowns, and all which contributed to a little bit of the difficulties, but that's just doing business in snow and ice removal.
Sheriff Dave Lucas says he looked outside before he went to bed last night.
It just started to spit snow. I mean, it wasn't nothing there really. I woke up this morning and I got up early and looked outside, and I was just shocked.
He checked it out and decided to declare a level 2 driving emergency.
And I'm glad we did, because that there was the roadway was very bad. Tractors and trailers were parked everywhere along the interstate.
We continued to plow throughout the night. It was just coming down faster, and by the time we get to one end of the route, we go back and we had to do it all over again. We were getting a couple inches an hour.
And then it was over. The snow stopped, the highways were clear and wet, and it was time to rest and plan for the next round, predicted for Wednesday night.
That's correct. We're getting everything fixed and repaired and getting ready for our next one.
In Belmont County, DK Wright for 7 News, working for you.
Thank you, DK. The roads are now at level 1 in Belmont County. That means you should drive cautiously.